Welcome everyone to our next online learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to convert number into Roman in Excel. You can see here in one column we have a name of a student, and in second column we have the score of each student, and in third column we have to convert this score into Roman. So let's try here. Press equal to sign, then type Roman function, select here Roman function of action, then select the reference cell, close the bracket and press enter. Select this cell and drag it down. Now you can see here all the number are converted into Roman. So by this way you can convert number into Roman in Excel. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.